So we've got a very nice Audi S3 in today that we've been working on. This customer's come to us straight from the dealer. He's just picked it up. So we've fitted the latest generation BlackVue cameras in this particular vehicle. So this is the DR970X LTE. We've fitted the latest generation BlackVue battery pack, which I'll also show you where we've installed that, and then obviously the rear camera in this as well. So if I just start off with what we've done with the rear camera. So the rear camera is sort of fitted nicely here. We don't put it in the middle because then you can't hide the main cable, and then obviously if you hid it under that trim, then everybody else when you brake would see a lovely sort of cable, which I don't like. So we've fitted that sort of nicely just there. You don't really miss that it's not right in the middle, and then obviously the cabling is then routed around. And then I'll show you around the back. So we've got, that's basically what we've installed, which is there. So we've got the main BlackVue camera, which is just here. So that's fitted nicely. We've just got the cable just going into the binnacle area there. And then on this particular one, we've actually just fitted the battery pack nice and neatly, and then it follows the route of the original OEM cabling underneath the carpet. But obviously when the seat is then fully in a normal position that you would probably have, it's nicely tucked away from that point of view. So you can obviously just see the camera nicely in there. It does mean that you've got access to the battery pack. You could utilize the USB port that's on there as well if you wanted to, or if you want to take it out. But also underneath there's room to add an extended battery pack if you wanted to. So if you've got a new Audi and you would like to have the latest generation dash cameras installed, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.